To other news now, the Health Ministry has responded to a shortage of healthcare workers at the Alexandria Hospital in St. Anne. The Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says the situation is being addressed immediately. However, the ministry is challenged in getting medical doctors to work the night shift at the facility. Shamela Pullen reports.
On Wednesday, a 3-minute video began circulating on social media showing a man on the ground of a facility, another sitting on a chair, and 3 ambulances parked. This was at the Alexandria Hospital in St. Anne. The person who recorded the video was seemingly upset about the situation at the facility, as the men were not attended to because there were no medical personnel to attend to them.
This is a crisis, and we are in need of some help right now in southwestern St. Anne. There is an emergency at daylight, and there are no persons available right now. No doctors, no nurses, no ambulance driver to assist these persons who are in need now.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, while confirming the incident, says there is an issue.
So an incident did occur a few days ago, which led to no doctor being available to treat some patients. Nurses are always present, but in this instance, no doctor. The context is that the Alexandria Hospital had 2 resident doctors who decided to work elsewhere, which is their choice, and we have had a difficulty finding replacement.
Dr. Tufton also said the Health Ministry has been trying to fix the problem. However, it's challenged getting medical doctors to take up the offer to work especially the night shift.
So it's not that we don't want to have doctors there. We just can't get anybody willing to be resident there, to stay there, so that we have a night service. So right now, doctors are there in the days, but not in the nights. We are, however, trying to address the problem through our arrangements with Cuba, and we are anticipating some Cuban doctors coming in and intend to place at least 2 or so at the location. So it is a challenge, but it's not a challenge that we're not attempting to fix.
Meanwhile, as to the status of the patients,
I don't have the details of it. I'd asked for a follow-up report based on what I saw on the social media posting. I was given that information preliminarily, the doctor to arrive, but they would have to be moved to St. Anne's Bay Hospital. Or if it is determined by those there that they could await till the next morning. If it's an emergency, most likely they would have been moved to St. Anne's Bay Hospital. But I don't have any information.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.